In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix corrupted game files on Steam. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a game crashing or not loading properly, you know just how important it is to have your game files in tip-top shape. So let's dive right in and get you back to gaming in no time. First off, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. This is where all the magic happens. Once Steam is up and running, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll then need to enter your account name and password. Once you've filled in your details, hit that sign in button to access your library and settings. Now that you're on the Steam homepage, the next step is to head over to your library. This is where all your games are listed. You need to find the game that's giving you trouble, scroll through your game list, or use the search function if needed. Once you've located the game, right click on it. From the drop down menu that pops up, select Properties. This will open a new window with several tabs. You're going to want to click on the Installed Files tab. In the Installed Files tab, there's an option called Verify Integrity of the Game Files. This is essentially Steam's way of checking and replacing any corrupted or missing files automatically. Go ahead and click on it. This process might take a little time, so be patient while Steam does its thing. Once it's complete, any detected issues should be resolved. If you're still having trouble, you might want to try clearing your download cache. For this, go back to your main Steam window. Click on the Steam drop-down menu located at the upper left corner of your screen. From there, select Settings. A new window will appear. Look for the download section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Here, you'll find the option to clear download cache. This can help resolve issues related to incomplete downloads and can often clear up some of the underlying causes of file corruption. When you click this, be aware that it will log you out and require you to sign back into Steam. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any corrupted game files and get back to enjoying your games without any hitches. Remember, regular maintenance like this can prevent a lot of issues in the future. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.